Well, here's a new one. We can't figure out what this is coming down the lake towards us. But from the size of it, it's either a moose or a huge deer. And I'm guessing it's a freaking moose. Maybe you can tell on the camera better. I'm trying to zoom in and steer the boat. Boy, that sure looks like a moose. This is unbelievable. Some of the stuff we see. But I'm out here trolling. And I got a moose swimming at me. So you just never know what you're going to see on one of these amazing trips that we go on. No, it's still there. Pretty unbelievable. Well, there you have it. Swimming by a big old beaver lodge. Just headed for greener pastures. It's a good thing all the dogs left, that's all I can say. We'd have a heck of a tussle. Catch. Can't tell what this is. It looks like a huge deer. I thought maybe it was a moose, but all I can see is through this little viewfinder. And it looks like a big whitetail. He don't know what to do. He can hear us out here. And let me tell you, we're a long, long ways away. This will give you an idea. That's a huge freaking whitetail. That's a 200-pound, 180-pound whitetail. It's probably got horns. Velvet started. Look at the body on that deer. Unless it's a big doe that wants to come in and have twins or something, that's why her body's so big. I can't tell. We'll see what happens here. Well, we're a lot closer. That deer is looking right straight at us. Just trying to figure out what we are. That's still one big deer. Be able to tell in the yeah, if you wanted to shoot it, season was open. Of course, you're in a motorized vehicle, you do realize. I think he thinks he's hiding. Now this will give you an idea. We're a little closer now. And there he goes, off through the woods. We got a little too close for comfort.